In this video I will talk about 4 effective lower back pain relief therapy. It is an incredible fact that the lumbar back or lower back is a marvelous, well-engineered structure that consists of interconnecting nerves, bones, ligaments, muscles, and joints all working together to provide flexibility, strength and support. Although it is a complex structure, it also leaves the lower back susceptible to injury and pain. The lower back is one that also supports most of the upper body weight, and it provides the required mobility for the motion needed on daily basis, including bending and twisting. The lower back muscles are usually responsible for rotating and flexibility of the hips while jogging, walking, or supporting the spinal column. You should know that chronic pain in the low back often results from injury to different areas of the body that include muscles, ligaments, discs, or joints. Whenever you experience low back pain, it could be hard for you to get rid of it, and may be the time that you consider trying one of these 4 options mentioned below to cure the lower back pain. 1. Seek chiropractic care. You should know that chiropractic care is a field of healthcare medicine dedicated to non-surgical disorders of the musculature system and the nervous system. Generally, experienced chiropractors help to maintain spinal health by focusing on manipulation and the treatment of the surrounding structures. Usually, studies conclude that manual therapies such as Kroll care is an effective treatment for lower back pain, neck pain, lumbar herniated disc, shoulder pain and other pain-related problems. 2. Painkillers are what you need. If you try to overcome your lower back pain, then anti-inflammatory drugs such as naproxen, ibuprofen and others could help in the best ways to ease your pain. As time would pass by, these drugs tend to cause stomach problems, so you have to make sure that you take them for at least 10 days without actually consulting your physician. 3. Give your back rest therapy. For most people, the best word of advice, especially those who work round the clock, is to be able to detect their low back pain and slack off for a while. Common research also shows that about 90% of lower back pain problems take about 6 weeks to resolve finally, whether they are results of structural problems, injuries or nerve problems. If you are the sort who spends most of your day sitting at your workstation, it is a wise decision that you consider giving your back some time off. Take a walk, stretch your back, jog for a while, or exercise for a bit to knock out the pain. At your workplace, you should also consider smart options like ergonomic chairs, which help to support your back and ensures that all your pain goes away. 4. You need cold and hot compresses. You can take some ice packs or frozen bags and apply them on the area for at least 48 hours on intervals when you experience pain, and you can work on it for about 20 minutes per session and more in a day. When you cool the specific area, it will shut down the blood capillaries and reduce the flow of blood to the affected area, and in return, it will help to ease off the swelling. If you use heating pad, then it will tighten muscles and aid in blood circulation. In exchange, this brings extra oxygen to the affected areas. There may be so many reasons why you actually experience pain in your lower back. At such times, it is always advisable that you take your time and consult a chiropractor for some remedy on how to relieve your pain. If you enjoyed this video, then you may like to check out our free guide, The Complete Back Pain Relief Program. You can download it for free from the link in the description below. If you want to make a video like this, then check the second link in the description below. You will also get a 7 days free trial for this software. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family who have a back pain problem and get a benefit from this video.